जो तो प्रेम खिलन का चाओ, सिर धर तली गली मेरिया। इत मार्ग पैर तरी जै, सिर दीजै कान न कीजै। बेसुमार अथाह अगनत अतुलै, ज्यों बुलावहो त्यों नानक दास बोलै। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। For my Sikh siblings, today I will try to discuss with you about the martyrdom of Bhai Taru Singh. By the grace of Guru Ji and through your happiness, I prepared a topic which is related with the martyrdom of Bhai Taru Singh on the name of thrice exam of Bhai Taru Singh. In the time of martyrdom. So this topic today I have prepared. I will try to tell you in briefly. So first of all, I want to tell you some information about the family of Bhai Taru Singh. Bhai Taru Singh's father's name Ranjot Singh. He was already martyred. He gained the martyrdom. And his mother's name Mata Taram Kaur. His younger sister, namely Tar Kaur. Normally she was known as Taro. In this way, Bhai Taru Singh has small farm. In this farm area, he grew the crops for providing the food to the Khalsa warriors, Khalsa fighters. That time, both Bhai Taru Singh and his younger sister Taru, they provided the food to the jungle area to the Khalsa fighters. On the other side, that time some informers which gave the information to the governor of Punjab, that time the capital of Punjab, Lahore, now the city is situated in the Pakistan, namely Akal Das, what he was known as Har Bhagat Naranjaniya, from the village Jandiala near about Amritsar. He was the black cat of the governor of Punjab. Why is spite Bhai Taru Singh was arrested that time. He gave the wrong information about Bhai Taru Singh and his younger sister to the governor, namely Yakaria Khan. That time Yakaria Khan sent a company of armies to arrest Bhai Taru Singh and his sister. Bhai Taru Singh and his sister was arrested. What? Through the approaching of villagers, Bhai Taru Singh's sister was released. What? Bhai Taru Singh did not agree to seek apology. Bhai Taru Singh that time brought to the Lahore court and presented in front of Yakaria Khan. Yakaria Khan that time announced his alternative, Islam or death, to Bhai Taru Singh. Bhai Taru Singh replied with calmly, "O Governor, if I changed my religion, then I will not be died. I will remain in this world forever." After listening this answer, the governor of Lahore, in rage and with uncontrolled anger, he gave the strict order to his servants to cut the hair of Bhai Taru Singh. He ordered to bring the barbers for cutting the hair of Taru Singh. So, according to the ancient scripture written by Bhai Ratan Singh Pangu, the name of this scripture Prachin Panth Prakash. He says that in this scripture, thrice exam of Bhai Taru Singh at the time of martyrdom. First of all, governor brought the barbers for cutting the hair. He gave strict order immediately to cut the hair of Bhai Taru Singh. Bhai Taru Singh sit in a posture and started to recite the first volume of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Japji Sahib. That time, the barber tried to cut the hair of Bhai Taru Singh. On the other hand, again quoted, Bhai Ratan Singh Pangu says that तब नवाब ने नौवे लगाए उनके संद खुंडे हुए आए. That time gave strict order to the barbers for cutting the hair of Bhai Taru Singh. What? Then they tried to cut the hair there. All tools were blunt. The sharpness was gone. They were surprised and astonished what happened with their tools. Second time, with great anger, he gave strict order to cut the hair. Bhai Ratan Singh Pangu says that ज्यों ज्यों कला खालसे ऐसी पई, नौवन दृष्ट मंद पर गई. So that time why the spiritual power of Khalsa, when the barber tried to cut the hair of Bhai Taru Singh second time, that time their eyesight was stopped. All barbers were horrified and surprised. They said to Yakaria Khan, "Oh, my honorable governor, our eyesight was stopped. We were totally blind." That time replied Yakaria Khan. Bhai Ratan Singh Bhangu says that, "नवाब कहो इन जादू चलाया, कै नौवन कश लब दिवाया." Gave the statement Yakaria Khan. Taru Singh used some miracle to make the blind the barbers. Otherwise he gave some bribe of money to the barbers. But that time he gave another subtract outer. He said that time, "अब ल्यावो मोची दोए चार, अब ल्यावो मोची दोए चार, खोपरी सात देहु बाल अतार." He gave this tract outer and said to his servants to bring two or four shoemakers and remove the scalp of Bhai Taru Singh with his hairs. That time Bhai Taru Singh gave a powerful promise to the governor of Lahore. Bhai Taru Singh said that, "O Yakaria Khan, I promised you I will carry you to the next world for the tip of my shoe." That time Yakaria Khan said that with the hitting or with the beating of shoes to remove the hair of Taru Singh. Bhai Taru Singh again replied with thundering voice and great enthusiasm. He says that, "O Yakaria Khan, you will die with the hitting of my shoes, with the beating of my shoes." At that time, immediately, 3 and 4 shoemaker came at that place. They used the very sharp knife and removed the scalp from the head of Bhai Taru Singh with his hair. But Bhai Taru Singh said not any type of crying, not says sigh, not that time he crying or wailing. He steadfast in his faith, and he is stable in his posture and reciting the volume Japji Sahib with great confidence, like a meditator sit in posture. Bhai Taru Singh sit in a posture. His skull was removed. At that time, Zakaria Khan's urine was stopped. He was crying and wailing. At the same night, he sent a request by Taru Singh. So that time brought the shoes of Bhai Taru Singh, and while beating the shoes of Bhai Taru Singh, the blockage of urine was started. So some days remained alive Zakaria Khan, and his urinating was come while beating the shoes of Bhai Taru Singh. In this way, 22 days later, the governor Zakaria Khan was died. That time, Bhai Taru Singh informed, and he gave his promise to governor of Lahore, and Bhai Taru Singh considered his promise became true. And that time Bhai Taru Singh went to the Sachkhand with great happiness, and he gained the martyrdom. So on 1st July in 1745 AD, at the same day, Bhai Taru Singh gained martyrdom only in 25 years old. He did not give up his religion, but he gained martyrdom and gained the great happiness of Guruji. So I tried to tell you the brief history of Bhai Taru Singh. So my all Sikh siblings and listeners, please give me apology, because I have done many mistakes during this lecture. And lastly, you speak out loudly, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.